Welcome. If you want to get LED keyboard on your SHARP Aquos R2, at the first you have to go for the Play Store. Next tap on search pool and type LED keyboard. We are going to use this one from ZSIG Studio. Click open. Tap to get started, click OK, then switch to the LED keyboard, click OK 2 times, go for the input options and switch to LED keyboard one more time. Right now we can set up one of these theme. I will go for RGB circle, click, scroll down, tap to download the theme, turn off this ad, and as you can see, that's how our theme looks right now. So thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. So yeah.